Hello, in today's video, we are going to learn how to disable some unnecessary startup programs in Windows 10. First when you get your computer, it will be running very fast. But as over time, as you continue to install new programs, this what happens is that this apps keeps to run in the background anytime you turn on the computer, causing the machine to run very slow or at a very low speed. Okay, so today we are going to learn how to disable all those apps. Okay, it's gonna help our machine to run very fast as well. Yeah, I get my PC up and running and it went through the boot up process. So let's jump right in. Now our first step is to come to the search bar right here and we're gonna type in startup. Okay, and then for our best match we can see a startup apps or applications. Okay, we're gonna click on that. It's going to take us to this page. So right on this page, we can see apps can be configured to start when you log in. So in most cases, apps will start minimize or may only start a background task. Okay, so most of these apps they are by default they start anytime they start to work anytime we boot up the machine or it goes through the boot up process. Okay, so right on this you can see some of the apps that has what a low impact, so you can decide to turn this off. If you don't need this, you can just click on the button here and it's going to go off. Okay, but what you can see here, you can see what a low impact. All right, so this low impact means that it has what it takes what low resources to boot up with the system. All right, so we have a low impact here as well. And when you come here, when you see this application, which is Avast um, AV launch component, you can see it has what a high impact on the boot up process. Okay, so you can decide to turn this off. Okay, but I decide to just turn it on. Okay, so most of these apps by default they run in the background. Okay, I decide to turn some off and some to be on. Okay, uh, there is there's much more. So that's it. Um, which one again we need to turn off? Okay, it's gonna help us. All right, so let's see WhatsApp. I can turn off. I can turn it off. Um, uh, UT Web 2. I can easily turn it off. Let's go up Skype. I can turn it off. Okay, and yeah, and most of these apps they have a low impact on the system, so this is not really going to have an effect on my boot up process. Okay, so yeah, that's it. Now I decide to keep the rest on. So anytime I want to access the apps, I can it will just take me straight right in. I don't have to go through the process of waiting for the apps to start all over again. Okay, so that's it for the video. Um, give it a thumbs up if you like the video and subscribe to my channel.